Hello, I am David and I want to welcome you to another one of my videos for helping entrepreneurs to start their own business, to be successful and to have a lot of fun in the process. I'm going to keep this video as short as I can. The background to the videos is I receive visitors to my website from the United States of America and from the UK plus other countries around the world. They're all interested in starting their own business, and I put together this information. Hopefully will help them, and hopefully if you're interested it will help you as well. This video will cover registering a business name in the states of Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, Rhode Island and South Carolina. Before we start, I must bring this disclaimer to your attention. I am not qualified to give legal advice, and you should always seek legal advice from a qualified lawyer. I am an accountant or CPA. I know how to start companies. I know a little bit about the law. I know how to run companies to make them successful, but I cannot give you legal advice. The information here is just information, and that's all it is. I have researched the information that's widely available on the internet, and I've packaged it in a format to help my visitors, and hopefully will help you. Okay, let's start with registering a business name in the state of Pennsylvania. The state of Pennsylvania governed the registration of fictitious name on the 1982 Act, and you can see the various strings attached to the particular act, which I will not repeat here, which repealed prior laws on business name registration. Any entity or entities, including individuals, corporations, partnership or other groups, which conduct any business in Pennsylvania under an assumed or fictitious name shall register such name by filing an application for registration of fictitious name. Filing under the Fictitious Names Act does not create any exclusive or other right in the fictitious name. Now, to register an assumed or fictitious business name, the fictitious name registration form must be filed. This application must contain the following information: the fictitious name. It does not have to contain a corporate designator such as corporation or limited. It may contain a corporate designator if the owner is a corporation. The use of the word company or co in a fictitious name by a sole proprietorship or a corporation is permissible. A brief statement concerning the character or nature of the business activity to be transacted. The address of the principal place of business. A post box alone is not acceptable. The name, address and signature of each individual or entity interested in the business. Now, when a fictitious name is used by an individual, an association or other entity, which includes an individual party, the user of the name must advertise that it has filed or intends to file an application for registration of the fictitious name. Now, the advertisement should be placed in a newspaper of general circulation in the county in which your business will be located, and one advertisement in a local publication or newspaper in that same county. The information required for the advertisement is set forth in the statute, and here is the link that you will need. I will provide this link below this video on my website. Registering a business name in the state of Puerto Rico. Businesses in Puerto Rico can both register their trademark and a trade name, that is, fictitious name, through Department of State's Registry of Marks and Commercial Name, or Registry of Marks and Commercial Names. Registering business name in the state of Rhode Island. Businesses operating under an assumed name may be required to file an assumed name certificate with the city or town clerk in which the business is located, and you can see the link there. In addition, all corporations, LLCs, LLPs and limited partnerships conducting business in Rhode Island must register a fictitious business name statement with Rhode Island Secretary of State. Registering business name in the state of South Carolina. Businesses operating under a fictitious or assumed name are not required to register with a government agency. Only foreign businesses may adopt a fictitious name. A fictitious name can be obtained for a foreign, that is out of state business that is authorized to transact business in the state because its illegal entity name is already registered in South Carolina. Visit the South Carolina Secretary of State for more information. There's a link. Okay, this is the end of this video. The next video will be registering your business name in the states of Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, and Wyoming.